okubeerawo nga mwenda omwezi guno okutandika olunaku olw'enkya wali ku Serena Hotel nga tulwanyisa.
The WHO delegation led by the country representative and our guest of honor, Dr. Jonas, welcome you. Uganda Communications Commission team, which is led by our Honorable George William Nyombi Fembo. We also have the Uganda Airtel Uganda team, which is led by Mr. Ali Balunywa, and the I&M Bank, led by the CEO, Mr. Robin Brentstall, and CEO, Mr. Ntulume. The Buganda Kingdom Cabinet Ministers, distinguished partners, the board members of the Naabagereka Development Foundation and the Naabagereka's Fund, all esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I thank you all for joining us today as we introduce to you our endowment fund, the inaugural mental health awareness campaign, and the Queen's Ball. At the heart of the Naabagereka's Fund lies our vision of creating sustainable social investments that will uplift and empower women, youth, and children across Uganda. While mental health is indeed a central focus of our efforts, it is essential to clarify that our endowment fund is multifaceted in its scope. We are committed to supporting various causes that contribute to the holistic development of individuals and communities in Uganda. The establishment of the endowment fund represents more than just a financial initiative. It symbolizes our dedication to securing the future of our organizations and the communities we serve. At its core, an endowment fund is a testament to our unwavering belief in our mission and our commitment to ensuring its continuity for generations to come. It serves as a pillar of stability that will provide a steady stream of resources that will empower us to weather storms, seize opportunities, and realize our vision with steadfast determination. Our approach as an endowment fund emphasizes grant making rather than direct implementation. Now, this distinction underscores our role as facilitators of positive change, empowering grassroots organizations and initiatives to drive impactful interventions on the ground. As we launch our inaugural mental health awareness campaign, which is themed Shine a Light, Illuminating Mental Health, we shine a spotlight on mental health issues in Uganda. Therefore, today marks a significant milestone in our journey towards fostering holistic well-being and empowerment within our communities. For me, this cause is deeply personal. Throughout my journey, I have witnessed firsthand the profound impact that mental health challenges can have on individuals, families, and communities. But I have also seen the transformative power of compassion, understanding, and support. This spirit of empathy drives us forward today as we strive to create a society where no one suffers in silence. So let us recommit ourselves to the cause of mental health advocacy. Let us pledge to be beacons of hope for those who are struggling, to be allies in the fight against stigma, and to be agents of change in our communities. Together we can make a difference, not just for today, but for generations to come. However, once again, it is crucial to emphasize that this campaign is just the beginning of our broader mission. Through strategic grant making, we will address a spectrum of social challenges, including other health issues, education, and socioeconomic empowerment, while bearing in mind the tenets of Ubuntu Bulam to confront Uganda's most pressing the issues holistically. The inaugural Queen's Ball, scheduled for May 9th, 2024 at the Kampala Serena Hotel, serves as a testament to our commitment to holistic well-being, themed Shine a Light, illuminating mental health. This event will raise awareness, foster dialogue, and generate sustainable financial support for our diverse initiatives. Our hope is that when we come together, we will brightly illuminate the path to healing, resilience, and empowerment for all, especially for the disenfranchised. I am deeply grateful for the presence of representatives from esteemed organizations such as the World Health Organization, Uganda Communications Commission, and our valued partners, Airtel Uganda and I&M Bank, among others. Your support and commitment to our cause are invaluable as we embark on this transformative endeavor. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for your unwavering support and dedication to our cause. Special thanks to the Board of Directors and Secretariat of the Fund for your unwavering dedication to finding sustainable solutions for the issues that many people in Uganda face. Thank you to all the distinguished partners for believing in our work and vision for communities where women, youth, and children reach their full potential. Through collective action and shared purpose, nothing can hinder us from building a brighter and more inclusive future for all. Thank you very much for listening, and may God bless you.
Naabagereka.